Is your dog constantly itching and uncomfortable? Could CBD be the solution to their yeast infections? Let's dive into the world of canine companions and a common ailment that plagues them: yeast infections. These infections are not just a minor inconvenience, they manifest as persistent itching, evident redness, and significant irritation, making everyday life quite distressing for your furry friend. Typically, yeast infections target the moist areas of a dog's body. This includes ears, paws, and the cozy crevices of skin folds, where yeast loves to thrive. Imagine your dog constantly scratching at these areas, unable to convey the discomfort except through their relentless itching and perhaps even whining. This is the reality for many dogs suffering from yeast infections, which, if left untreated, can lead to more severe skin issues and a noticeable decline in their quality of life. Understanding these infections is the first step towards finding a suitable treatment. Before diving into alternative remedies, let's consider the traditional ways to treat yeast infections in dogs. When a dog shows signs of a yeast infection, such as itching, redness, or an unpleasant odor, veterinarians often turn to a tried and true arsenal of treatments. One of the first lines of defense includes antifungal medications. These are typically administered orally and work by attacking the yeast cells internally, helping to reduce the overgrowth that causes discomfort and irritation. In addition to oral medications, topical creams are frequently prescribed. These creams can be applied directly to the affected areas, providing relief right at the source of inflammation and itchiness. They help soothe the skin and create an environment where yeast can no longer thrive. Another common approach involves the use of medicated shampoos. These shampoos are designed to reduce yeast presence on the skin and in the fur. During a bath, the medicated solution works to cleanse away irritants and dismantle the biofilm that yeast uses to shield itself, making it easier to wash away and manage. These traditional treatments are quite effective in managing the symptoms of yeast infections and restoring the comfort of our canine companions. They target the yeast directly, alleviating the immediate discomfort and preventing further spread of the infection. While these treatments are effective, some pet owners are turning to natural alternatives like CBD. Now, what exactly is CBD and how might it benefit our furry friends? CBD stands for cannabidiol, a compound found prevalently in the cannabis plant. Unlike its more famous cousin THC or tetrahydrocannabinol, CBD does not produce a high. THC is the primary psychoactive component in marijuana and is not safe for dogs or any other pets. This distinction is crucial as it highlights why CBD can be seen as a preferable option for pet treatments. Cannabidiol is extracted primarily from the hemp variety of the cannabis plant, which contains high levels of CBD and minimal THC. Legally, hemp-derived CBD products can contain no more than 0.3% THC, making them safe and non-intoxicating for animal use. This ensures that pets can benefit from the therapeutic properties of CBD without any psychoactive effects. With its growing popularity, it's important to understand how CBD interacts with the body. So can CBD really help relieve symptoms of yeast infections in dogs? Yeast infections in dogs can be quite the nuisance, leading to discomfort, itching, and irritation. While traditional treatments often involve topical creams or oral medications, some pet owners are turning to cannabidiol or CBD as a complementary approach. But what does the science say about this? CBD is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can be beneficial in managing various skin conditions, including yeast infections. Inflammation is a common symptom of yeast infections, and reducing it can help alleviate some of the discomfort your dog may experience. CBD's potential to curb inflammation comes from its ability to interact with the endocannabinoid system in mammals, which helps regulate the body's immune response. Moreover, some studies suggest that CBD also possesses antimicrobial properties. This means it might help in controlling the yeast population on your dog's skin, although the extent and efficacy of this effect can vary. It's important to note, however, that research in this area is still in its early stages, and while results are promising, they are not conclusive. Incorporating CBD into your dog's treatment plan could potentially enhance the effectiveness of traditional treatments. For instance, while an antifungal shampoo addresses the yeast externally, CBD, administered orally or topically, could help manage inflammation and possibly reduce yeast proliferation from within. Despite these potential benefits, it's essential to be cautious and informed. The quality of CBD products can vary significantly, so selecting a high-quality, vet-approved CBD product is crucial. Furthermore, the correct dosage plays a vital role in how effective CBD can be for your pet without causing any adverse effects. While promising, it's crucial to approach this treatment option carefully. Always consult with a veterinarian to ensure that CBD is a suitable choice for your dog, especially if they are already on other medications. Remember, every dog is different, and what works for one might not work for another. If you're considering CBD for your dog, knowing the correct dosage and administration method is key. When entering the world of CBD for pets, it's essential to opt for products specifically formulated for animals. These ensure that the concentrations and ingredients are safe and appropriate for your furry friend. Human CBD products might contain THC or other additives that aren't suitable for dogs, posing potential risks. CBD comes in various forms, each suitable for different needs and preferences. Oils and tinctures are popular due to their ease of dosage and fast absorption. You can add these directly to your dog's food or administer them under the tongue for quicker effect. CBD treats are another convenient option, especially if your dog is resistant to taking medications. They are pre-dosed, which takes the guesswork out of how much to give. For skin issues or localized discomfort, topical CBD products can be applied directly to the affected area. Dosage is crucial and should be tailored to your dog's weight and the severity of their symptoms. A general guideline is to start with 1 to 2 milligrams of CBD per 10 pounds of body weight. However, because every dog reacts differently, starting with a low dose and gradually increasing it while observing your pet's response is wise. Always start with a low dose and closely monitor your pet's reaction. This approach helps ensure that your dog benefits from CBD safely and effectively, avoiding any potential side effects. Before starting any new treatment, consulting with a professional is a must. When it comes to your dog's health, the role of a veterinarian cannot be overstated, especially when considering treatments like CBD. Introducing any new supplement, including cannabidiol, requires a careful understanding of its effects, dosage, and potential interactions with other medications your dog might be taking. Veterinarians are not just medical experts, they understand the nuances of how different substances affect canines differently than humans. This is particularly vital when utilizing products like CBD, which have not been as rigorously tested in pets as they have in humans. A vet can provide invaluable guidance on the appropriate dosage tailored to your dog's specific weight, age, and overall health condition. Moreover, your veterinarian can monitor your dog's response to CBD. This monitoring is crucial as it helps in identifying any potential side effects early on. Common side effects might include lethargy, dry mouth, or gastrointestinal upset. Recognizing these early allows for adjustments to dosages or discontinuation if necessary. Additionally, your veterinarian can consider how CBD interacts with other treatments your dog might be undergoing. For instance, if your dog is on medication for a yeast infection or any other condition, your vet will ensure that CBD will not adversely affect the efficacy of other drugs. In conclusion, while the potential benefits of CBD for managing conditions like yeast infections in dogs are promising, the guidance of a seasoned veterinarian is indispensable. Your vet's expertise will ensure that CBD is a safe and effective option for your dog. Let's recap what we've covered about using CBD to treat yeast infections in dogs. Yeast infections in dogs can be quite troublesome, presenting symptoms such as itching, redness, and irritation. Traditional treatments often involve topical ointments and oral medications, but these can sometimes have undesirable side effects. Enter CBD, cannabidiol, a compound derived from the cannabis plant. It's not just for humans, it has potential benefits for our canine companions as well. We delved into how CBD might help alleviate the discomfort associated with yeast infections in dogs by reducing inflammation and modulating the immune response. However, it's not as simple as just giving your dog any CBD product. We discussed the importance of choosing CBD formulations specifically designed for pets to avoid complications. This includes paying close attention to the dosage, which should be tailored to your dog's size, weight, and the severity of their symptoms. Equally crucial is the role of your veterinarian. Before starting any new treatment, including CBD, consulting with a professional is essential. They can provide guidance based on your dog's individual health needs and monitor any potential side effects. While CBD could be a part of the solution for managing yeast infections in dogs, it should be used as a complement to other treatments and under professional supervision. Combining natural remedies like CBD with traditional methods may offer your pet the best chance at relief. Remember, every dog is different, and what works for one may not work for another. Always prioritize the health and safety of your pet by seeking professional advice.